powered by artificial intelligence. You may wonder, how does this futuristic technology actually work? Well, AI-powered defect prediction is like a crystal ball, but one grounded in hard data and sophisticated algorithms. At its core, this technology hinges on machine learning. An AI system is fed with mountains of historical data from previous surface mount technology (SMT) production cycles. This data includes information about past defects, their conditions, and the outcomes. The AI learns from this data, identifying patterns and trends associated with defects. It might notice, for instance, that a certain combination of factors often leads to a specific defect. Once trained, the AI doesn't stop learning. It continues to absorb new data from ongoing production cycles, refining its predictive abilities. The result? An AI system that can predict potential defects before they occur based on patterns it has learned. With AI-powered defect prediction, we're not just reacting to defects, but actively predicting and preventing them. Now let's recap the crucial points about AI-powered defect prediction in SMT. As we've discussed, defect prediction plays a vital role in surface mount technology. It's all about identifying potential issues before they become real problems. The real game changer here is artificial intelligence. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, learn patterns, and make predictions, is revolutionizing the way we handle defect prediction. It helps us to identify potential defects with higher accuracy and in real time, thus saving valuable time and resources. But remember, AI isn't a standalone solution. It's a tool that works best when combined with human expertise. Together, they form a formidable team that can significantly enhance the quality and efficiency of SMT processes. With AI-powered defect prediction in SMT, we're stepping into a future where we can prevent issues before they happen, ensuring a higher level of quality and efficiency.